So I'm going to give you a lovely video of this. This is going to be a long video actually, because this thing is absolute beauty. Apart from these silly plastic wings, they're not even carbon, but yeah, beautiful face. I mean, honestly, it's a complete copy of the Z1000. They can try, and I watched the promotional video from Ducati on this, and they tried to put a picture of Joker next to the face and tried to say that this is a Joker face, like a Joker laughing. It's total BS, to be honest. If you look at it, it is Z1000 eyes all day long, just without the little bit sticking out. The Z1000 has this little bit over the outside, over the top, two little lips type thing, or like little eyebrows, and these guys, Ducati, just took the top one and made it see-through glass. So, but yeah, anyway, still so flipping nice. I gotta be honest, other than them ripping it off, it's still the most beautiful front ever. So beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so that's your little front bit. Damn, I'm 2 minutes in already and I'm not even left the front yet. Now to the bad bit. Bad bit, plastic. Absolute rubbish plastic right there. That should be carbon. For a bike of this price and of this stature, yeah, that there should be carbon fiber. But anyway, moving on. These stupid ass things. I know, the promotional video again. Oh, the bike has so much power, it needs these to keep the front down. Come off it. This isn't exactly a MotoGP bike, is it? You might do a track day on it, but it's not even a track day bike, to be honest. This shouldn't have these stupid things. Look, from the front it looks absolutely horrible. From the side, not so bad, because let me pull back a little bit. See, I pull back here and you can't see them very well, so I guess, you know, they're semi-acceptable from here. But I'll move around to the front and look how ugly these things are. Look at that. What the flipping heck are those? What, to hang your clothes to dry or something? I have no idea. I honestly, it's sad to see things like that. But anyway, I'm sure you can pop them off if you really want. I'm sure there's yeah, look, tiny little screws there, 1, 2, and they pop off. Same one with the down here, two little Allen key screws. They're not going to be on there for very long. Even if you exchange them for carbon, they're still going to look stupid. Get a little break, lots of little kids around, and we're back. I'm gonna go on about, okay, Radiator. Check it out. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Look, keep on going. This is definitely a MotoGP, literal MotoGP Radiator. Look at the size of it. It's been awesome. Curved as well, lovely curve. Actually, the bottom one's not curved. The bottom one is flat. This big one is curved though. Yeah. Oh, okay, so I'm not sure if you guys know or not, but this engine here, this beauty, look at the size of this thing, right? It's actually the Desmo Sedici engine. I am not kidding you guys. The Desmo Sedici flipping engine in a naked bike. Wow. When I saw the stats for this thing, I thought this is the first bike I'm coming to see up here, because it's flipping absolutely. The stats are awesome. But the first thing I had in my mind was 178 kilo, 208 brake horsepower, and that's with a standard exhaust. That's with this somewhat crappy thing. This is with, these stats are with this somewhat crappy exhaust down here that look, I don't even see Terminoni on it or nothing. This looks terrible. It's just one big box. They've kind of hit it, but they obviously expect this to be off the bike very soon after you buy it. You're obviously going to put a little end can on it at least, or minimum, or you're going to put a full titanium system on it. If you do put the full titanium system on it, you're looking to up the bhp from 208 up to around 220, and that is flipping crazy for a naked bike. 220 bhp, that is close to MotoGP bhp on a naked. Absolutely amazing. I cannot state how cool those stats are. But the 178 kilo, okay, the 178 kilo is not actually, it's 178 dry. So curb weight, you're probably actually looking a little bit more. You're probably looking more close to the 200 mark, fully wet. I haven't checked, so I don't know the exact stats on the weight. But if it's 178 dry, you normally add another 20 approximately for oil and fuel. So my guess is 198 under the 200 with, after you put exhaust on it, 220 bhp. The rear end, they've gone all Panigale, as you can see the little gap through there. Look, all Panigale style. Looks flipping awesome. And they've even got a little seat on there as well for the pillion. Look, tiny little seat. Not comfy at all, but I mean, come on. And that's definitely, that will have people on the back. But I'm sure there's a single seat that will make that look so flipping fine. The single-sided, the massive rear wheel, Corsa, Maccasini forged wheels. Rear sprocket looks lovely. Swing arm, that doesn't look the most pretty, but anyway. This is all about the engine, this one. Lovely electronic controlled Öhlins, rear and front. Yeah, I'll show you the front in a sec. But the thing is about this one, it really is all about the engine, isn't it? Just the bragging rights to say that I've got a Desmo Sedici engine in my Streetfighter V4S. It is a bragging right, isn't it? Öhlins steering damper, lovely little clock up front. What else can I say about this amazing looking thing? Not much really. Desmo Sedici engine. Desmo Sedici engine. 208 bhp. We'll round that off. We'll call it 210 because you're going to put a can on it anyways. Desmo engine. See ya. And I'm a Kawasaki Z fan, but damn, this is like, oh, can't get over the stats and the beautiful front end. Okay, I'm done for this video. I'm on like 6 minutes already, over 6 minutes. Damn. Okay, bye.